Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change your WordPress password from Hostinger. First you need to log in your Hostinger account. Once you have logged in, you will get this dashboard. Now navigate on the top bar and here click on website. So here you can see lot of website. Now I am gonna choose this for change password. Click on manage. Now go to the left side panel and here you can see database. Click on this and then click on phpMyAdmin. Now you could be confused which one is your correct database, and you can see there is two databases, and so how I can know which one is for my exact website. So for this we need to go our file manager and here click on file manager, right click, open link in new tab. Now select on this, click on this. Now we need to double click on domains. Now here you can see all of your different sites. Next you need to choose the domain which one you want to change. So I'm gonna do this, double click and click on double click public HTML. Now scroll down and here you can see wp-config.php. Just right click and click edit. Now here you can see db username, that's means database username, and the username is LSEFR. Just copy this username. Okay, now let's go back our database and here you can see database phpMyAdmin. Now let's Ctrl F, Ctrl V. Now you can find your database name very easy. So this is our database. Now let's click enter phpMyAdmin. Now this is our database file. Now we need to find out WP user. Let's see where is WP user. This is the WP user and this is the prefix. We need to find out this WP user. Just click on this. Currently in this site only one user. Now select your user and click edit. Now here you can see user pass and this is MD5 format password. So now we need to click on this and select MD5. This one. Replace your password and copy this. Now let's scroll down and click go. So this is how you can change WordPress password in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.